cannot do big things. 1 kilo ಕಲ್ಲು ಎತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದವ 1 ಕ್ವಿಂಟಲ್ ಎತ್ತಾನ ಅಲ್ಲ. Mr. Desai has been calling me for the past 4-5 years. I took time because I was otherwise held up. I thought, why to burden him by going to his house? So many people will come and it will be a burden for him. But he has been so generous.
Yes, sir.
So he did not leave me at all. His son came all the way to bring me here. So anyhow, thank you, Mr. Abdul Karim Desai. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ತಾವು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬರೆದಿದೆ. ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ದ ರಿಚ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಗನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ multicultural, multi-religion, multi languages. Yeah, there are so many cultures here, so many languages here, so many castes, so many communities. But we live as one nation. Ishwara Allah tere naam sabko sabko de bhagwan. So I am extremely happy to be born here in India and also lead life with all sects of people. Here in our village especially, he is also from North Karnataka, sir, I will tell you, there is no community, there is no caste in North Karnataka, even now also. The Karim sir will be called as Kaka by his neighborhood boy. Some boys will be like this, Karim Kaka, hello, oh Karim Chacha, kahan ja rahe ho, like that. So there is no Musliman or Christian or this caste, that caste there in, especially North Karnataka. Mr. Popad also knows. We don't have this. My grandfather's bodyguard was a Muslim, Khadar Sahab. We are so much related to him. He protected my grandfather for about almost 20-22 years. He was there with him. He means my grandfather's life was in his hand. Such a genuine fellow. So always this genuine feelings depend on persons, not on community. Yes, always.
Exactly.
Whether X or Y or whatever it is. Vyakti mukhya hortu jati alla. Which is more important is the person, not his community or his caste. So Mr. Desai has also shown it in his life. He has loved all the sects of the people. His origin has come from a place where Vasveshwara has taken place, has taken his birth. He is from Bijapur district. Lord Vasveshwara was born in Bhagyavadi, near a village near Bhagyavadi, from his village. And all dargahs, important dargahs are there in Bijapur. Sufis are there in Bijapur. Sufi is a cult which shows us the communal harmony. People speak of communal harmony now. 500 years ago, our Sufi writers, poets, have praised the Allah and Ishwar both. They say there is no difference. Yes, sir. God is God. Ekam Sat Vipra Bahuda Vadanti. Truth is only one. God is only one. But the scholars have praised him in a different ways. Devanobata Nama Halavu Bage Dari Bere Bere. His names are different, but ways are different to reach him. He may come from that road, I may go from this road, he may go in the shortest road. But ultimate truth or the God is only one. They have not named it as either Allah or Shiva or whatever it is. Or we are, it is high time that we should live like brothers here. Otherwise, this country doesn't have a good future. There is no good future if we don't live like brothers and sisters. This is the message Mr. Desai has been giving for the past 30-40 years. I also join him. I make his voice and hands stronger by standing with him in such preachings or in such activities that he has been doing. Dr. Basavaraj Donur himself is a big scholar and he is a professor of English. I told him, ಬರೀ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಾಜು ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕತ್ತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಮನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಿಂತೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂದ್ರೆ ದೇಶ ಅಂತಾನ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಈ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೇಷನ್. He worries. Let us go. Then he said, let us go, sir. let us see him, let us talk to him. People like Mr. Abdul Karim Desai are more important for this circumstances. Today our country needs people like him.
Yes.
Yeah. So he has also come all the way. Mr. Kopadi here, all other friends who are here. My friend, senior friend, Mr. Rahman is really. Yeah, he said he is a Supreme Court senior counselor. I was thrilled. It's good that I have met you, and we come to Delhi, we will definitely meet you. Thank you, Mr. Desai. I am otherwise busy. Otherwise, I would have spent half a day here. He has come all the way from Gulbarga. We have got some other activities. The 3:30, we have to go there. 45 minutes, 50 minutes journey. So kindly excuse me if I give you now. I request Professor Jodo to say a few words because he himself is a great professor. He will take 1 hour. He can speak. He can speak. He has got that knowledge. He has got that knowledge. But I request him to speak for 5 minutes.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕರೀಂ ದೇಸಾಯಿ ಅವರ ಸ್ವರಚಿತ ಕವನವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಅವರ ನಾಡು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮವನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ಪಟ್ಟೆ. ಭಾರತ ಬಹಳ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ದೇಶ, ಸದೃಢವಾದ ದೇಶ, ಭಾಳ ಪುರಾತನವಾದ ದೇಶ ಮತ್ತು ಸನಾತನವಾದ ದೇಶ. ಈ ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಈ ಜನರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರಿಗಿರುವ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಕಂಡು ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹರ್ಷ ಎನಿಸಿತು. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಮೂಲಭೂತವಾಗಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವಾದಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲಿಸ್ಟ್. I have lot of love and respect for everyone who loves this great nation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು, ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮವನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ನನಗೆ ಹೃದಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಬಂತು. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯವರು, ನನ್ನ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯವರು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಮೂಡಿತು. ಅವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪರ, ದೇಶದ ಪರ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಸುಗಮವಾಗಿ ಸಾಗಲಿ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನು ಬಾಡಿಗಾರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಮಾನರು. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಲೇಖಕರು, ಕಥೆಗಾರರು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆಗಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಿವಿಧ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಟ್ಟುವ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೇವಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಟ್ಟುವ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಅಸ್ಮಿತೆಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಅನೇಕ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ದೇಶವನ್ನು, ಸದೃಢವಾದ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸದೃಢಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸುಂದರಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ದೇಶ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಖಂಡವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಪರಂಪರೆ, ದಿವ್ಯ ಪರಂಪರೆ, ಭವ್ಯ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ.